We got here Toyota Camry. We're working on designing off the new and major seal replacement. We the oil pump seal. We replace this oil pump. We're replacing two seals. One seal on this one and one seal on this two. We're replacing that one. We're replacing also the oil pan that can keep ready out. We got the oil pump off right now because we clean everything out to put that together. We're replacing the crankshaft, the front seal, the crankshaft seal. We're replacing that little seal right on the oil pump. So this is how we do it. We gotta move people all around this area. It's all around, so we gotta replace that. So we took the open because we need to take this video in order to remove all the pump. And we also have to remove the exhaust. The exhaust is removed from there when we can disconnect it. We disconnect all the way around. And we're gonna replace the seal on here. So that's all the seals. Oh, and we also gonna replace this buckle seal. We got the crankshaft. We got the bottle over here. And we got the oil pan. So we doing a major seal replacement on this Camry because it's, like I said, 2001. Since 2001, all the gaskets have been put on, so it needs all those gaskets in order to continue working properly because it's already been a big amount of oil. The customer was complaining for every 2 days he has to put a quart of oil in this car. So that's a major leak. So we don't always work for him. Well, he works in this place. Like I said, we got the mold in here, everything here. So this is how we got. This is how we do it. And that's how you do it. Oil pan seal, oil pump seal, and timing seal, and a battery seal. All those in one time. So this is how we do it. More mechanics.